Are your clothes secretly making you look older and frumpier than you actually are? If you're a woman over 50, you might be making these style mistakes without even realizing it. Today, I'll show you 7 common fashion errors that instantly age you, and more importantly, how to fix them right now. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to avoid and what to embrace to look effortlessly elegant at any age. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1 is hiding your body under oversized, shapeless clothing. I get it. As we age, we might feel less confident about our changing bodies and think bigger clothes will hide our flaws. But here's the truth. Baggy clothes don't hide anything. They just make you look larger and completely shapeless. The solution? Embrace tailored pieces that actually flatter your figure. Look for clothes that skim your body without being too tight. A well-fitted blazer creates structure and sophistication. Choose one that hits at your hip bone and has a slight waist definition. A belted dress that cinches at your natural waist instantly creates an hourglass silhouette, while trousers with a proper fit through the hip and thigh, tapering gently toward the ankle, will make your legs look longer and leaner. Remember, the goal isn't to show every curve. It's to create a polished silhouette that makes you feel amazing. When clothes fit properly, they move with your body gracefully, creating an effortless elegance that oversized pieces simply cannot achieve. Mistake number 2 is clinging to outdated prints and patterns. Those busy florals from the 90s, overwhelming geometric patterns, or old-fashioned designs can instantly date your look and make you appear stuck in the past. These patterns often feature colors and scales that were trendy decades ago, but now scream outdated. The modern approach? Opt for clean, contemporary prints, or stick to sophisticated solids. Think subtle stripes that elongate your silhouette, minimal geometric patterns with better color combinations, or classic polka dots in unexpected color pairings. If you love florals, choose ones with a modern twist, featuring cleaner lines, better color palettes, or updated scales that feel fresh and current. Less is often more when it comes to patterns after 50. Choose one statement print per outfit and let it shine, rather than mixing multiple busy patterns that compete for attention. This creates a more sophisticated, intentional look that appears effortlessly put together. Your shoes can make or break your entire outfit. And mistake number 3 is wearing the wrong shoe styles. I'm talking about chunky, orthopedic-looking shoes that scream comfort over style, or outdated styles that haven't been updated in decades. Worn-down heels, scuffed surfaces, or shoes that look like they belong in a different era can instantly age your entire look. Now, I'm not saying sacrifice comfort for style. You can absolutely have both. Look for sleek loafers that provide arch support and cushioning while maintaining a polished appearance. Consider stylish ankle boots with good cushioning and modern silhouettes that work with both pants and skirts. Choose elegant flats that don't look like bedroom slippers, featuring quality materials and contemporary details. The key is finding shoes that look intentional and polished. Even your most comfortable shoes should look like you made a conscious style choice, not like you grabbed whatever was closest to the door. Quality footwear in classic styles will serve you well for years and elevate every outfit. Mistake number 4 is ignoring accessories entirely. An outfit without thoughtful accessories looks unfinished and can make even the most expensive clothes look cheap. Accessories are what elevate your look from basic to brilliant, adding personality and polish that separates stylish women from those who simply throw on clothes. The fix is simple but powerful. Add a structured handbag that complements your outfit's proportions and color scheme, not one that's falling apart, too large or completely wrong for your frame. A bag should enhance your silhouette, not overwhelm it. Invest in statement earrings that frame your face beautifully and draw attention upward, or add a sophisticated scarf for instant elegance and a pop of color near your face. But here's the key. Choose accessories that enhance your outfit, not overwhelm it. Quality over quantity always wins. One beautiful piece is better than 5 mediocre ones fighting for attention. Consider a classic watch, elegant necklace, or sophisticated belt as finishing touches that show attention to detail. Mistake number 5 is making poor color choices that wash you out or make you look drab. I see too many women defaulting to washed out beiges, head to toe black, or colors that do absolutely nothing for their complexion. These dull choices can make you blend into the background and appear tired, regardless of how rested you actually feel. Here's what works. Rich jewel tones that make your skin glow and bring out your natural radiance. Well-balanced neutrals that aren't boring. And strategic color accents that bring life to your face. Think emerald green, sapphire blue, or rich burgundy instead of dull browns and faded pastels. Consider warm coral sophisticated navy or deep plum as alternatives to harsh or washed out options. The goal is to find colors that make people say you look great, rather than you look tired. Pay attention to which colors get you compliments. Those are your power colors. These are the shades that make your eyes sparkle, your skin look healthy, and your overall appearance more vibrant and youthful. Mistake number 6 is wearing boxy, unflattering outerwear. Those old, bulky cardigans that add width to your frame, oversized coats that swallow you up, or shapeless jackets that make you look like you're wearing a tent. Your outerwear is often the first thing people see, so make it count. Choose tailored coats that nip in at the waist, creating a feminine silhouette even in cold weather. Look for structured jackets that create a beautiful shape while providing the coverage you want. Consider modern cardigans with clean lines and proper fit that layer beautifully without adding bulk. Remember, outerwear should complement your outfit, not hide it. The right jacket or coat can instantly elevate even the simplest outfit underneath, making you look polished and intentional from the moment you step outside. Finally, mistake number 7 is pairing beautiful, modern outfits with completely outdated hairstyles. Your hair is part of your overall style, and when it's stuck in a different decade, it makes your entire look feel frumpy and dated, regardless of how contemporary your clothing choices might be. The solution? Invest in a modern, flattering hairstyle that works with your lifestyle and face shape. Think chic shortcuts that are easy to maintain yet sophisticated. Contemporary bobs that frame your face beautifully and move with natural grace. Or updated longer styles with modern layers that add movement and dimension. Your hair should make you feel confident and current, not like you're living in the past. A great hairstyle can take years off your appearance and make every outfit look more polished. Regular trims and occasional updates keep your look fresh and modern. You've just seen which style mistakes can age you. Now take the next step with 8 color combinations that make women over 50 look instantly elegant. Click here to uncover these game-changing color secrets.